So what's crazy is today is super fire everywhere. Looks like frickin' fog. Yeah, fire's been going on in the Santa Cruz Mountains for a couple days now. So this looks like, you know, fog, but it's totally not. And I smell smoke and stuff. So we've just been staying inside, you know, sheltering in place during coronavirus and all that good stuff. But yeah, that shouldn't stop you from cooking. So we're gonna cook some steaks. So I'm gonna cook it on the Weber. Welcome back, guys, to another episode. So we're doing some dinner tonight. Very simple, but you guys should like this. So let's go ahead and go to the whiteboard here. Let's see what we got. So tonight's menu, we're gonna do a nice New York steak. Do it on the barbecue. We're doing a baked potato and a salad. So the wife wants something very simple. We have that. I'm gonna make it happen, but figured, hey, let's film it and make a big old extravaganza about it. So stay tuned, guys, and it's coming at you. So oven's on. We're gonna bake potatoes. So we got 2 potatoes washed, and then we're gonna take our knife and we're just gonna pop little holes in it, okay? You don't have to do a lot. It's just enough to make sure it doesn't explode on you. And we will bake these actually for about an hour to an hour and a half until they're all tender. So I'm gonna take some olive oil. Just enough to cover them. And then I'm gonna put on some sea salt. So in the comment section, you guys can always just let me know how you guys like to do your potatoes. This is the way I kind of like it, but let me get washed up and I'll come right back. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull out the steaks. We try to take our steaks out about an hour before cooking them, because if you don't do that, you're gonna have a steak that's gonna be completely rare. So I like my steak medium. Lan likes hers, you know, well done, so that's why we do it this way. So I'll just let it sit out and let it get to room temperature. So check this out. Look at this steak. Look at that thing. We're gonna peel this carrot. We're gonna wash that. Little Persian cucumber. They're really good. And you wanna make sure they're almost rock hard. So we're gonna put this aside. I'm gonna cut off the end. And I just like to do some nice little rounds of them. Oops, lost a couple right there. Do you guys see that? Keep losing them. What's going on? And I like to cut them in half, sometimes quarter them. All right, guys, so we have our salad that we're gonna pour in there. A lot of veggies. So the potatoes are about halfway through. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just flip them over. That way they can cook evenly. Oh, I'm so excited about this steak. Good to go. We're gonna add more fire to the fires going on right now. It's crazy out there. Look at that. Here's the best part. So now it's time to actually do the steak. So how we're gonna season the steak is really simple. This should be foolproof way. I like my steak just with salt and olive oil. So I'm gonna take some olive oil right here. We're gonna go ahead and put it down. Just Just gonna rub it around, flip it over. And if it looks like that, guys, don't worry. It just oxidizes a little bit on the actual plate. But I take my salt, and from a high distance, I season it. So I don't want you to be shy, because look at the steak. This thing's huge. So we want to put a lot of salt because it's going to be only seasoned on the outside. We're going to put a little salt on that little cap. And then we're going to flip her over. Oh, I can't wait. I'm so excited. All right, so barbecue is nice and hot. All right, so let's go ahead and put it on. We're gonna put this steak on for about 3 minutes each side. We put it on right here. All right, let's see where it's at. We have 1 minute 30 left. So this is when I like to actually rotate my steak, just about 45 degrees. Let it cook a little bit. It's looking really, really good. We're gonna do another 3 minutes. Look at that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and flip it one more time, guys, 45. Woo! Actually, I had it there. That's right. Go that side right now. Ooh. Cannot wait. Look at that fire. Woo! Timer's done. Ooh, look at that. Look how good that looks. Oh my goodness. I would say it's almost there. Steak's coming off, right? We're gonna put this right here. We're gonna let it rest, right? All right, guys, so we're all done. So the steaks, I pulled it off. As you can see, we got really good color on it. This steak is still heating up, so do yourself a favor, right? I like to cut my steak after this steak actually reaches its peak, because if you think about it, what it's doing is it's actually the juice is kind of trying to push out of the meat. And so if you actually wait until it starts cooling down, then you're gonna have a steak that's pretty juicy. So with potatoes, we pulled those out. You can tell that these are absolutely done. They're kind of squishy. And so we're gonna slice them up, put some butter in there, a little bit of sour cream, and a little bit of cheese, and they're gonna be killer. So can't wait to slice this up for you guys. Let's go ahead and cut this meat up. I like to really just kind of slice it down because it's a pretty tender cut of meat. So let's go ahead and do a nice little cut down the middle and see how we did. Oh wow, look at that, guys. It's perfect. So again, I just want to slice it all the way down. God, this is gonna be so good. I'm so excited for this. I mean, every single piece is like perfectly done. So, yeah, I think we should do like a taste test right now. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try this. One, because I can't stand it anymore. So I'm gonna get a little piece right here. This is the piece. Ooh, let's just try a little bite, okay? Can't even wait. That's really good. So that's how you do a steak, you guys. Super easy. Go ahead and like, subscribe, tell your friends. If you guys have any questions about anything, let me know. See you guys. All right, so finished product, okay? I'm super excited. That steak looks great, the baked potato looks good, salad, everything. So, hey guys, let me know what you think. So I'm gonna do some different stuff. We got a lot to be creative about, but keep cooking, guys. Show me your recipes. Tell me what you guys like, and stay safe, everyone. See you later. Bye.